One of the purposes for this channel is to see if this old dog can learn some new tricks. Last night I posted a unboxing video. First time I've ever tried one of those. I think the content was good, but the actual video quality was horrible. So this is going to be something of a follow-up to that. I'm going to leave that one out there. But I just wanted to get in here and show you all exactly what we unboxed last night to get a better idea. So the first thing we're going to try to do here is zoom in on this 1914 large British scent. Let's see if we can get some better focus on it this time. And I think it's a really nice coin. This came from Pa's Spare Time. And I'll try to link again in this video to his channel. This one also came from Pa's Spare Time. It is a 1950D Jefferson nickel. This is a key date, and this is going to be a book fill. So we may do a short immediately after this one, showing me punching this down into the book. But for now, let's see if we can get a nicer picture of that. We also have our poured silver harp from Ida at the She Shop Studios. Very pretty. Mrs. Silent Silver Stacker loved this last night when I gave it to her. But we took it back for a minute just so we can get it into the video and get a better shot of it. Okay, I'm going to clear this stuff now so we can go into the actual rest of the stuff that came last night, which are these wonderful mats. These come from Rob Fine's Treasure. He has these for sale on his website. And they really are the best coin hunting mats out there. Once again, this is not paid advertisement. I paid full price for these mats, and they're worth every penny of it. Speaking of pennies, this is the Lincoln Penny mat. It lists key dates, semi-key dates, and some of the varieties to look out for while you're doing your penny hunts. This next one here is the clad coinage varieties. Just some varieties in the clad coinage, that's the 1965 and later, to keep an eye out for while you're hunting your coins. Just because it's not silver doesn't mean that there can't be some value there. Then we have our stacking silver. This covers things like Morgans, Barbers, quarters, dimes, all the 64 and earlier stuff that had some silver in it. You're going to want to keep an eye out for these dates, and don't think we've got a whole lot of varieties on this one, though. We'll have to see. Rob's got a couple more mats coming out here in the next month or so, and we'll probably be doing a review on those once they come out. And finally, the nickel coin hunt mat. Just what it sounds like. We've got some nickel coin hunt varieties, key dates, and things to look out for when you're hunting those nickels. So thank you again. Even though the video was horrible, I still suggest you go out there, see if we can see what kind of improvements this old dog is making. And in the meantime, this is the Silent Silver Stacker out.